Okay, so we're gonna reveal our finished product on our wet wall installation. You can get panels and you can cut them in any size, which was great. I'm using painter's tape to protect the board from chipping. Wipe all backsides of panel and walls with a damp cloth to remove any dust or dripping. With the rear or back panels, apply adhesive on the wall. And actually put them over existing tile, which I did not know, but we had a blank slate as this is a new bathroom for us. Okay, so the great thing about these panels are that you can use whatever shower base you want, or shower pan, and do a custom tile or finish on the bottom, and the panels are made to fit just directly over it. So that worked out super well for us. Finger and just smooth caulk in, rubbing the sealant with acetone, and then the seam, it like virtually disappears, which is pretty cool. The maintenance on them is so simple. It's literally warm soapy water and you just wipe it down, which is great. The other thing I wanted to speak to was the amazing design selections that they have. They're all very luxurious. There's a ton to choose from. We went with a white strié pattern, which is hard to see on camera, but our bathroom is small, and so we wanted it to feel light and airy. It was our first time using this wet wall application from Wilson Art. It is definitely a DIY project. I loved every minute of it. It took us about a day to complete the whole project, and the best part about it was that I did it.